Hey everyone, and today we will talk about the Lumion. Yes, I know you are really waiting when it will be Lumion. So here we are. This is my quite old project. I did it like maybe 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. I already not remember about it. So, but exactly this project we already did in Twinmotion. So I just making the replica. So I just copy it. So maybe later on I will compare Lumion in Twinmotion in one project. Yeah, and my one most nice thing for you guys, you can download this project below this description. You will find the links, go there and get this project. If this project is not so perfect, of course it's not so perfect. Anyway, this is for free. Use it, try it, do it. Don't forget, this is Lumion number 9, so you not will able to open in Lumion 8, I think. So anyway, use Lumion number 9. Let's get started. The first thing, don't try make your video or render inside the Lumion everywhere put with details. As you can see, somewhere I don't have any details. If you will see around, I don't have any details, but here I have. Why, you will ask me? Because my camera somewhere is here, and that's why here I did some details, because this you will see on the camera, but other side you not will see. Don't try make it everywhere. So if you have the video walkthrough, make details only around this walkthrough. Don't try make it everywhere. No one wants that. So I will show you the my cameras. So let's go to the photo mode and you will see the my camera. Let's go to the camera, and as you can see here I have a lot of details. But if I will go now to this place, you not will see a lot of details around this area. So I will go there and you will see what I mean. Just build mode, yeah, it's really slowly, and as you can see I have here some details, you can see it straight away. But if I will go the back, look around, not any details, even not any bushes here, as you can see. So the first thing, don't try make everywhere details, it will crash your PC. My advice number 2, don't use the people. So if you want to use the people in Lumion, better use only transparent. Why it's transparent? Because you are an architect, or you are maybe I don't know, designer, and I don't wanna see the people. I wanna see only the shape of the people. I don't wanna see real people. It's not about realistic video. If you wanna make some standing view for your I don't know, for your building, try make your people transparent. How to do that? Actually pretty simple. As you can see here, you not your view not looking on the people. Yeah, you can see here is some people, but you are not looking on the people, you are looking around your site. So you can use just actually 3D people. As you can see, this is 3D. I'll select this this girl or woman. Select that, and as you can see I'm using the white color, transparency on 0.9%, so it's 90%, and white color, as you can see, so it's better. If you don't like white, you of course can use the black color, it's also not bad, but your transparency should increase, so like this. And this is really much looks like architecture. But don't forget, if you will change the color of your people, it's will change everywhere. As you can see now, all my peoples become black. So, but I prefer using the white color. It's only up to you. Anyway, this is advice number 2. Try make your camera view from the eye view. Yes, I know that all the people like when you're making like bird view, yeah, it's looking like massive, it's looking like impressive, but when you're going to the eye view, the view is becoming really different. So you should make more details, you should concentrate on some small things, and you can feel it. So try make your eye view. As you can see, you can feel it like you will be in this park. You just understand the proportion of this park. But once you will become to the bird view, I will show you. Here is the bird view. You cannot feel the proportion. Everything it's like a game. Like you can see, it's like Yeah, it's like a game actually. It's better to making landscape design, yeah, when you wanna show like look, here I have the some cycles, and here I have like different different level of my ground, so yeah, maybe it's cool. Make your renders with more lights. So you no need try to make it a bit black or with a lot of the contrast. Make it lighter, make it feel it like softness. It's becoming it's more friendly for me like a client, and friendly for me like just someone who watching on your renders. When you becoming with the really black, as you can see here is the night view, you cannot feel it. It's becoming so unrealistic. Yes, you can make it with realistic view, you can render it, and after that it's become maybe better. Yeah, you should spend time to making it more interesting. But when you have like really with the light, as you can see, can you feel the difference between this picture and this? Of course, with the light you really like it, just. And it's not feel it like it's not realistic. Here it's feel it more realistic, and Lumion really can work with the light. So try make your renders more lightness and more softness. Don't try make it is really much contrast, because we are not talking about the much contrast, we are talking about the space. Use the same effects. Don't try make it every time the same thing, you just can't copy it. So for example, I have the my camera view here, and I have my camera view here. As you can see, it's a bit different. Here it's more contrast, as you can see. It looks like it's so fresh, but here it's more softness with more light and with some shadows. So what we can do? Here is my effects. You already have the my effects, you can use it. After that, go to the menu, and after that you just save it. You can copy it, but we will save it. It's better for us because we can use it in some other projects. So let's save it. Let's call it like new. I will call it just new. Okay, let's save it. Done. Now I will go to the photo number 4, my camera number 4. Go to the menu again, file, and load effects, and load this new. It will take time, and as you can see, we get 100% the same effects like we have on the number 3 photo. So once you will render it, and when you will put it together, for example, on the one list, it's not will feel like you doing the different things or you are rendering on something different way. You're using same effects. This is much better, so use it. Or if you want, you can open some new project and you will load the effects there. If you like this video and you wanna more the kind of video, don't forget about the like, share, comments and whatever. Don't forget about it. You will help me to get more inspiration to creating some tutorials for you guys. Anyway, thank you so much and see you soon.